See, this is a problem on relief displacement derivation. The first is, see, the distance from principal point to an image point on a photograph is 64.4 mm. That means if this is the diagram, okay, this is a ground, as I said you, this is a plane of photography. This distance is given it as 64.4 mm and elevation of the object above MSL is 250. So here the value of H is given as 250 and R is given as 64.4 meter, because in this derivation you can observe here there is a tower, okay, and from here the photograph is being taken, that is one at the top and one at the bottom, and this is a vertical axis or optical axis, and here there is a plane of photograph. So here this distance, that is here to here distance, it is taken as R, and this distance is R naught, this is D. Here what they have given, that is elevation of the object above MSL, that is value of small h is given, okay, and here see the distance from principal point to image object point on the photograph. This is a principal point and this is a image point on the photograph. This is principal point and this is image point, okay. This distance they have given, that is R. So R is equal to 64.4 mm. Next they have given is H is equal to 50. Then after that, what is the relief displacement of a point? That means you have to find out what is the value of D, where the scale is given as 1 by 10,000 and focal length of the camera given is 200 mm. So here 200 mm initially you are going to convert it to 0.2 meter and scale is given by 1 by 10,000. The formula for datum scale, that is SD, is nothing but F divided by H. So usually the formula will be SD is equal to F divided by capital H minus H, but for datum formula is SD is equal to F divided by H, okay. This H will be here 0 for the datum. So you are going to take this formula and substitute what is scale, that is 1 by 10,000, focal length is 0.2 given, flying height we need to find out, that is H is equal to 2000 meter. Here they have told us to find out what is the relief displacement of a point. That means these two are the formulas, that is either D is equal to H R naught divided by H minus H. One more formula is D is equal to H R divided by H. So you can see this the first formula, it is taken on the top and the second formula on the point. They have not mentioned top or bottom, they have just asked to find out the relief displacement, that is D, to any point, okay. In this case we can take any formulas, that is D is equal to HR divided by H. I am going to take D is equal to small h into R divided by capital H. Small h given here